Hello, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and I don't often cook breakfast anymore because my boyfriend retired, and so the rule is the person who doesn't work cooks for the person that's working that day. So I'm the person that's working and I get breakfast cooked for me. But I cook on weekends. So I went to my library and picked up during my recent library cookbook haul. I got Sunny Side Up, more than 100 breakfast and brunch recipes. From the Essential Egg to the Perfect Pastry by Waylynn Lucas, and I thought it's only fair since I'm making breakfast on weekends to thank my boyfriend for making it 5 days in a row, I should up my game and not just do scrambled eggs and toast every single day. Boring. So let's see what this cookbook can teach me. I think it came out in 2019. It's by Rodale, publisher. Oh, there's the author. And here's the contents and the author again. She's pretty. Chapter 1, Egg Obsessions and Other Savories. Next chapter, Syrup Required. I'm guessing pancakes. Next chapter, Biscuits, Muffins, and Breads. Then Fancy Pastries. Ooh. Then Yogurt, Bars, Breakfast Pops, and Smoothies. And then, my favorite, Boozy Daytime Adventures. Okay. Introduction, Way with Eggs. Okay. Ooh, nice photo. So far, so good. I like the photography. This is Prep Talk for a Sunny Kitchen. Okay, there's for kids. Helpful hardware. A note on ingredients. Sugar, yeast, flour, butter, eggs, milk, etc. Okay, here's the first chapter. Egg Obsessions. Can't show you the whole book, so I'll pick a couple good things. Here's Egg Sunny Side Up. Bacon, tomato, and cheddar bread pudding. A breakfast strata. That looks amazing. Smoked salmon frittata, spinach, roasted red pepper, and goat cheese frittata. That looks amazing. And I've never made my boyfriend a frittata for breakfast. I should do that because he loves peppers and spinach and goat cheese. Egg in a hole, baked egg cups. Those are fun for kids especially. Fennel sausage and mushroom quiche, Brussels sprout and leek quiche. The breakfast burrito, but no picture of it. Eggs Benedict with holiday sauce 3 ways. Okay, I've shown you enough of that chapter. Let's get on to the next one. Huevos Rancheros. Ooh, my go-to breakfast sandwich. Okay, Syrup Required chapter. How about chicken and waffles? Oh, my boyfriend would die of happiness if I made that. Sweet French toast sandwiches. Savory French toast. Don't know what that is. Buttermilk biscuits. We must have gone into a new chapter. Yes, we did. Okay. I'm not good at making buttermilk biscuits, so I definitely need to try this recipe. Blueberry Earl Grey muffins. Honey cranberry bran muffins. Bran's supposed to be healthy. Pumpkin cream cheese muffins with the author holding them. Ooh, there's some bread. Ooh, brioche. I am not trying to make brioche at home. I'm sorry. No. But there's step-by-step photos. Oh, love it. Helpful, helpful. Greek yogurt raspberry loaf. Now that I would make at home. Yum. Gingerbread with molasses glaze. Perfect for the holidays. Something just fell out of the cookbook. Cherry star anise jam, apple butter, cinnamon pecan oatmeal scones. Let's get to the next chapter. Grapefruit pistachio cakes. Oh, I have to show you those. Okay. Brioche beignets. Oh, cinnamon rolls. And whoa, so that had a lot of what? Oh, croissants. I was like, why is this recipe so many pages? It's like 4. Oh, because it's croissants. Step-by-step pictures. Sticky buns. Apple almond tart with orange essence. Pretty. Strawberry tarts. Oh, I have to show you that picture. Cute. Okay. I gotta get on to another chapter though. Here we go. Yogurt bars, breakfast, blah, blah, blah. Homemade yogurt. Nope, don't have that kind of time, but thanks for the recipe. Trail mix breakfast bars, kitchen sink fruit and nut bars, Greek yogurt raspberry pops. That would be nice because it's summer and I'm dying right now. Avocado pineapple smoothie. That would not be for everyone, but I would definitely drink that. Citrus passion fruit juice, green machine juice, an acai bowl, baked apple maple oatmeal, mango raspberry fruit leather. That's fun. Now we're in boozy daytime adventures. How about watermelon jalapeno smash? Yum. Great for summer. Hibiscus lime cooler. add extra vodka for me, please. Brunch punch. That's a cute term I've never thought of. And a classic mimosa. We don't really need a recipe for that, but that was a pretty picture. Lemon slushy for adults only. Iced mocha and Baileys. Great for summer. This is adorable. I love this cookbook. That is Sunny Side Up by Waylynn Lucas, a breakfast and brunch cookbook that people like me need to read to make breakfast better for our loving boyfriends. Thanks for watching this cookbook look through and review from Cookbook Divas. Stop by our blog for news and articles. Listen to our podcast on your favorite player. It's called Cookbook Divas. And we post cookbook news and videos to Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Be sure to click like and comment. Please say something nice if you'd like to teach the social media algorithms to show you more of our videos. Bye.